Nature is vanishing at an alarming rate due to human activities. Forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban expansion, destroying habitats. Plastic waste, oil spills, and toxic chemicals poison ecosystems, harming wildlife. Rising temperatures from fossil fuel use melt glaciers and disrupt ecosystems. Overfishing, hunting, and mining deplete natural resources faster than they can recover. Expanding cities replace green spaces, reducing biodiversity. If we don't act now, we risk losing irreplaceable species and damaging Earth's balance forever. Protecting nature isn't a choice, it's a necessity for survival. Want solutions or examples? Let me know.